If you want Opera to open every time you click a web link, or if you simply want to make it your default browser, this video will walk you through the exact steps in just a minute. It's a quick and easy setting to change, and once it's done, all your links from emails, documents, and apps can automatically open in Opera instead of another browser. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Opera browser on your computer. Once Opera is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click the Opera menu logo, the red O icon. This opens the main menu for the browser. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will take you into Opera's settings page, where you can control different browser preferences and options. Now on the settings page, scroll down until you find the default browser section. Depending on your screen size and browser version, this may take a moment to locate, so just keep scrolling until you see that heading clearly. Once you're in the default browser section, you'll see a button that says Make Default. Click that button to set Opera as your default browser. After you click it, your computer may ask you to confirm the change in your system settings. If that happens, just follow the prompt and approve Opera as the default browser, and that's it. Opera is now set as your default browser, which means it should open automatically for supported links and web pages from now on. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, tips, and browser guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.